Hello everyone. There's another bad news for our Northeast. Few days back, our beloved sister Rosy Sangma experienced some kind of body ache, some kind of discomfort. So she was admitted to a hospital in Gurugram, Haryana. But unfortunately, she passed away at the hospital itself. And her family member says that it's a case of medical negligence because they found out that the medical staffs were feeding her ice cream in the ICU itself. And soon after that, she passed away. And her nephew Sambal Sangma started protesting against her unfortunate death. But after some time, Sambal Sangma was found dead in his hotel room. Many people suspected that it's a case of suicide, but his family member says that it's not a case of suicide, but it's a case of murder because there were multiple bruises over his body, multiple bruises over his forehead, and broken teeth. So we, the people of Karbi Anglong, the people of Northeast, strongly demand the highest authorities to properly investigate this case so that justice is being served as soon as possible. We demand justice for late Sambal Sangma and late Rosy Sangma.